Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamer channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you see how Facebook is spying on you when you are not on Facebook. So for that, go to your Facebook. Now tap on the three dot icon. Now tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy shortcuts. Now swipe down and tap on view or clear your off Facebook activity. Tap on continue. Now tap on recent activity. And guys, here you can see Facebook is spying on through this. So if you want to disconnect it, now select any one of them that you want. And then tap on disconnect. Tap on confirm. And then that activity will be disconnected. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.